Akiaria hindi ya mambura ma 58 ma madaraka kiharo-ini kia Jomo Kenyatta gia Kisumu, President Uhuru Kenyatta augite wira wake kuma athurwo mwaka-ini wa 2013 ni wikuranire makiria ruhonge-ini rwa ugima wa mwiri.
There was only one clinic with 15 beds serving 500,000 residents of the Mukuru informal settlement. We have fixed this indignity by building 25 hospitals in our informal settlements of Nairobi to ensure that our mothers do not need to go through that kind of indignity again. That a patient from Siaya no longer has to travel 70 kilometers to Kisumu for treatment. There are dialysis machines in Siaya at the sub-county level. Similarly, he does not have to pay 160,000 a month for dialysis or sell his ancestral land. All he needs to do is to spend 500 shillings every month on an NHIF card.
Leo, Your Excellency, sio siku ya kusema mambo mengi zaidi, lakini tunakukaribisha hapa Kisumu. Wameona yale ambayo umefanya, hakuna haja kuyarudia, yale macho wataona.
I want to laud your 2 days launch of various projects in this county and in this region.
President ogereire ati wathani wake ni uheanite taito milioni 5,100 cia migunda guku bururi-ini, migunda iria ni gitugi kia bata hari ukuria wa bururi.
A testimony that there is a government that works and delivers.
Oho ni agathiririe thirikari yake akiuga ni kuritio wonjoria wa bururi ugakinya ciringi trilioni 10 maita meri ma haria watigirwo ni President Mwai Kibaki na aria mari mbere yake. Agitetera thirikari yake ni kurugama na ukuria wa matura, President anyitiriire ati ciringi trilioni 2 na bilioni 300 iria ni gicunje kia 16 hari igana nicio igairwo thirikari cia kaunti kwa ihinda ria miaka 7 ya wathani wake, akirahira gukorwo ari president wa mbere gwaka gicukiro kia mirigo bururi-ini thiini wa miaka 115 gicukiro kia Lamu. President akirahira kuriukia tabarira cia wonjoria wa bururi iria ciakuite ta ukui wa mugithi na gicukiro kia mirigo gia Kisumu hamwe na meri ya MV Uhuru.
We have revived 566 kilometers of dead meter gauge railway. The revived 200-kilometer Nairobi-Nyanyuki railway will be a game changer. Every trip, the train will transport 1,600 passengers, which is equivalent to a convoy of 120 matatus. And the cost per passenger will be Kenya shillings 200 compared to current Kenya shillings 500 by matatu. Although it takes a little longer by train, the passenger will make a 60% saving using the revived rail system.
Jana ulinitembeza kunionyesha maendeleo ya huyu mji na nikaona kwamba Burundi kuungana na mji wa Kisumu ni rahisi sana, kwa sababu hii Lake Victoria inafika sehemu ya karibu na Burundi. Mkoa wa Bukoba Tanzania ni karibu na Burundi. Kuungana na Kisumu ni rahisi sana.
Oho ni athanite ahuri a biacara aria metagwo Ajua Kali maheo motaro ma kumateithia mahote kuhura biacara na thirikari. Kuringana na President Uhuru Kenyatta, kiguni ya tabarira cia uthii wa na mbere gitiraiguika tu thiini wa matura maria ciakitwo, indi tabarira ici nicio irarehe urumwe wa kibururi o hamwe na gutura mieke ya mawira guku bururi-ini hamwe na mabururi maria turigainie. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma guku kiharo-ini kia Jomo Kenyatta kaunti-ini ya Kisumu, jitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.